Hi, second graders. You learned about ending consonant clusters today, and you worked with your teacher to match some of those words that had the same ending consonant clusters. And so what you're going to do on your own for this assignment is to uncover some words and then make matches with the same ending consonant clusters. So I'll demonstrate a couple of those for you. Okay, I uncovered adopt, and so now I'm going to try to find a word that ends with PT. Okay, I didn't. Let's see if I can. Okay, I have two words that end in RT, so I'll put those two up to match, cart and dirt. Okay, let's see. And I found the other word that ends with PT, so I would type both of those in, adopt and slept, because both of those end with PT. And that would be what you would do for all the rest of the words until you get 8 matches. Again, you're matching ending consonant clusters, so they would have to end with the same 2 letters. Okay, have fun.